First, you want to open the page to access the database. This is where you will look up small business by size. Once the page opens, you want to click the link that says Access Reference Solutions. This will take you to the terms and conditions, where you must acknowledge the guidelines in using the database. Just check the box that you accept the terms above and select Continue. Next, you will need to enter in your exclusive card number. Just copy and paste it in here from your lesson to access the database, and then select Log On. And whenever you log in, you will get your In the Right Place message. Just close out and select U.S. Businesses. Now you are in the actual database, where we can begin our targeting our small employer groups, either corporations or local establishments. Up here at the top, you will see two tabs, one titled Advanced Search. By selecting this tab will allow us to get very specific in our target marketing. Okay, once our Advanced tab page opens up, the left column menu is how we will build and tailor our search criteria. So going down in the business type category, select keyword and standard industrial code. Next down in the geography category, choose city and state checkbox. Next down is the business size category. Check the box for number of employees. Next is the ownership category. Choose headquarters and branches checkbox. And then last is in the special selects category. Choose web address. This will pull companies and organizations with website, where you will be able to get the emails. Now that our search criteria fields have been filled in, let's shift our attention to the right. We can begin filling in our specific search. Starting from the top, under record type, it will always default to verified businesses, which you want businesses that are open and operational. Next down is our keyword or standard industrial code. In this case, we are looking for nonprofits. So type it in here in the field, then select Search. It will then pull up all categories for nonprofits. Select the nonprofit organizations from the list. Next, you want to choose the state to search. In this illustration, we're using Michigan, so I will select Michigan. Next, going down to number of employees. Here I will check all sizes from 20 up to 35. Now going down to the next section for headquarters and branch. There is an important distinction to make between headquarters and single location. You want to select both. Single location will pull the nonprofits with small employee size that are statewide, and headquarters can be statewide, but in most cases will be in another state, quite possibly adjacent to your resident state. By doing it this way, will yield the highest number of prospects to target. Next down is check only companies with web addresses. This is important because this is how we would pull the emails from the domain names. Once all search fields are inputted, then select the Update Count button here. This will display the number of records found for small employee size nonprofits in this particular state. As you can see, we have 625 total. Next, we will select the View Results. This is the actual records that we will download and begin a prospecting campaign. One of the initial tasks you should undertake is to begin downloading your list of records. You will observe that the database presents 25 records per page, which necessitates downloading one page at a time. Please check the box to select all records and proceed with the download from the top menu bar. To download all records in detail, please select the radio button designated for detail, and then click the Download Records button. Afterward, please use the back button to navigate to the previous page and uncheck your records. Proceed to the next page until all of your records have been successfully downloaded. In the next segment, we will be going over spreadsheet management. This is where your Microsoft Excel and cut tools for Excel will come into play. Click Next to proceed to the next lesson.